Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn and focus on something agile estimation techniques, reporting, and so many other topics. Okay, in last videos, we have covered some capacity planning, velocity, and more topics with the Scrum. Okay, just go through the previous videos and just gain the knowledge. Those are related to summary kind of thing. You can go ahead with the other videos which are focuses on each topic as well and learn more. Okay, let's go ahead and see in this video the agile estimation and story points techniques. So agile teams uses the user story instead of hours to work that estimated the work or something, and it's a game changer, I can say. That is story points. Okay, so story points are relative measures of the effort. They account, I can say, it's for complexity, risk, uncertainty, and the workload. So both the 4 points are there. So they are covering all those 4 points. That is of complexity, risk, uncertainty, and the workload. Okay, so example, 5 story points isn't the 5 hours or something. It's just more than story points and less than the 8 story points. So most teams uses the Fibonacci sequence, that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so many for the sizing. The gaps helps reflect the growing uncertainty with the larger stories. Okay, while these larger stories, if we are picking for the sprint, then we are going to create the subtask or something, and we are working like that. Okay, so story points are great because I can say they reduce the time wasting debates over the hours. Okay, level the playing fields across the team roles, improving the long term planning through the velocity plan tracking or something. Okay, so now how do you actually assign story points? Then there are having some many techniques, so we are just going to discussing here that planning POC. Okay, so what is exactly planning pocket technique is there? It's also called the scrum pocket as well. It is a collaborative estimation technique that turns story sizing into a fun, the glamifying process or something. Just type on the Google, that is planning poker, you can get the site and you can start your work, right? So here I can say it works like the product owners represent a user story, the team discusses it, and then you can ask the questions, clarify the requirements. Each team member secretly select a card with their estimates. Okay, everyone reveals at the same time, and if there is a big gap, the team discusses why. Okay, so repeat until consensus is reached. Okay, everything should be met. This method avoids the that anchoring bias or something. No one gets influenced by someone, right, else guesses. It also encourages everyone to contribute, not just the loudest voice in the room, right? So because using the planning poker, teams often identifying the reference stories, something medium size or something, to help anchor future estimates. With the practice, planning poker becomes fast, accurate, and ever fun or something. So now we are going to see what exactly the reporting kind of thing we can go ahead what with the what reporting we can share with the stakeholder or something. We have just learned about the estimation tech. So just think about the reporting which we can share with the stakeholders. So reporting is in the Scrum, we can say, isn't about the lengthy status or something update. It's just clear visual metrics that help everyone see the progress in glance. Okay, because every time the coding and those things that stakeholder might get confused or something. So whatever understanding, it's simple understanding or representation visually or something, they can get it exactly, right? So here are I can say is some key metrics I can share with you, like sprint and release burn down charts. We can share those metrics. This shows how much work remains and help forecast completion as well. That the chart you can share with the stakeholder. Then the velocity chart, the historical average of the story points completed per sprint, and we are going to share that in with the that comparison with last 5 sprint. Okay, it helps to plan future capacity as well. Then the team capacity chart reports how many developers are available full time during a sprint, accounting for the vacation or other duties. So, burn down chart, velocity chart, team capacity chart, and work disruption. Disruption means, for example, developer are pulled off to the other project or something. It helps helpful to report this context. Okay, these metrics they tells the story. Are we delivering value at sustainable pace? Are we improving? Are we meeting the business goals or something? That all we can get the glance reporting, and we can share that with the stakeholders. Okay, so that they can also give the transparency of about our work. So there are some agile project management tools like Jira, Trello as well. Currently, we are mostly using the Jira. Some companies are using the Trello as well. Other than that, we are having the Azure DevOps, then the Miro, that is Miro, that Miro, no, Notion, ClickUp, then the Rally as well, the version 1. There are many management tools we are having, we can use it. Okay, these tools what exactly helping us, that managing the product and sprint backlogs, tracking the team velocity, that generate the burn down charts, facilitating the retrospective meetings as well, then visualize the work with the boards and the roadmaps. So we are getting everything with these tools. Okay, just use the tools as per client requirement. Okay, so means stakeholders requirement. No matter which tool you are choosing, the key is the visibility only. Everyone should be able to see what's going on, and updates should be easy to estimate as well and maintain. So now we closing out, let's leave you like call to action, like mindset needed to lead the agile transformation. Correct. So we are going to discuss many things about the agile scrum in summary kind of thing, or any deeper knowledge as well in many videos in my channel. Okay, you can just go through it, and if you're having any question, doubts, you can share it with me in the comments. We can try to resolve everything, okay, for you. And if you're having any insight, you can share with me as well, or with us as well in the comment section, so that we can gain the knowledge, insights from your end as well. Okay, so we can both together learn something and encourage and go ahead with our career in the agile transformation from that traditional transformation, the software development thing, right? So if you like all my videos or something, just click the share my videos with your colleagues, your friends, so that they can also use this knowledge, gain the knowledge in their actual project. Okay, just share, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon, so that you can get the many things and updates in future. Correct? Yeah. Thank you.